Welcome to the tumor marker simulation. In this simulation, you'll determine the diagnostic and predictive values of a cancer-detecting laboratory test. Begin by selecting either the practice or test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers no such feedback. Review the scenario presented on the top of the screen. Use this information to complete the table in the middle of the screen. Once completed, select the Check Answer button to evaluate your answers. Select the Graphing button on the bottom of the screen to view a new scenario and a completed data table. Select and drag the vertical green line to observe how the data in the table changes based on the line's position relative to the two graphs. Select the View Directions button to display directions and how to generate a new graph based on a different data set. Choose the ROC button on the bottom of the screen to view an ROC curve. Select and drag each of the 5 different colored dots on the graph to their correct location in the column labeled Point in the data table on the right side of the screen. Select each cell in the true negative column and enter your calculated value in that cell. Select the View Directions button to display directions. Choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your answers. The New Scenario button creates new data sets for evaluating. Only select this button when you've completed your analysis of the current data set.